Let's see how to use TutorPage's teaching system. Part 1. Add and invite a student. Step 1. Add a student by clicking this icon. Enter a student name. Done. Step 2. Add lessons to the student. Adjust these numbers to add the numbers of lesson amount to this student. Choose an available course. If you don't need to add a particular course or you don't need to name the course for this student, and if you just need to remember how many remaining lessons the student has, you can just leave it to system default courses. In case you want to name the course or package to this student, click this icon to create a new course. You can create some random name for this student's course, such as Oxford English or 21 Days Conversational Classes for Adults. Let's select the default course this time. Then, this is where to choose a lesson length. Now, Add Lessons is finished. Done. Step 3. Share invitation link with the student. This is the lessons you add, and now click here to copy the invitation link. Now that the invitation link is copied, go send the link to student. And the student will click this link and register a student account from this link. After the student sign in, he will receive the lessons added by you. Part 2. Set up your classroom tool and open time slots in calendar. After the student signed up for an account, the student's next step is to start booking lessons. But they are not yet able to book your lessons because you haven't set up your live classroom tools and opened your time slots. Step 1. Go to Communication Tools and set your available classroom tool. If you use Zoom, you need to finish your Zoom setting. If you don't want to use Zoom, you still can select other classroom tools here. Step 2. Go to Teacher Calendar to open some time slots, so that they can book and select a time slot. Click here to open the time slots. Well done. Part 3. Enter classroom and have lessons. Now the student has booked lessons, and his lesson booking request will be sent to you. You can view student's booking request here under New Class Request. Accept his booking request, and then this lesson will be moved to Upcoming Lessons as a confirmed lesson. When it's time for the lesson, just click here to enter Classroom. This lesson's classroom tool is Zoom. It is an integrated and built-in classroom tool, so I can directly enter Classroom from here. Now I am in the Zoom classroom. After this lesson is finished, you can find the lesson is moved to Finished Lessons. If this lesson is not really completed, click this icon to report a problem and return the lesson to student. If this lesson is completed, click here to mark it as completed and leave lesson feedback to this student. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.